Hi guys.
Hey guys! As you know, last videos we picked some onion.
But today we are picking potatoes. And it's very good to pick potatoes because you can make a lot of food. You're supposed to say let's get to it.
Yeah, Anaïs actually had a little script for that one to get us started and somebody forgot his line.
Say let's
But
get
anyway,
to it.
let's get to it. But first, I just want to bring you a bit closer.
And potatoes are very good because you can make
on
crisps.
cutting pupil is a very bad manner, isn't it, son?
Because
Shh,
gonna cut
what
this.
I mean is shh. Alright?
so let's get to it.
Yes, that's it. He finally said his line. Anyway, what I wanted to say, and that the kids are very polite and well educated, so they are going to wait until I'm finished, of course, is I want to show you from closer this particular plant because it's grown some things out of the soil, which is the first time I see in a potato. Anyway, I'll grab the camera and bring it closer.
So we don't know if they're actually oak apples growing on them or if they're actually potatoes.
Yeah, if you know whether they're potatoes or something else, just let us know in the comment and stuff. Anyway, I'll bring you closer.
Because you guys like help us a lot by subscribing.
As you can see, this is well out of the soil. It's got a couple of growth on it. And we've got one here as well, where the plant died.
If you think
But still
it's
attached to it.
if you think it's cool that we've got stuff like this, subscribe and like for the coolness.
And here. I see,
Now
just
on
picked
the
one
picking
out.
onions videos, we asked if it was a carrot or not, and we will see if any of you say if they're
Anyway,
shallots or not.
now that we've shown you those little things,
Yeah.
let's pick the potatoes out.
Let's get to it. Okay, so if you didn't know, when potatoes get exposed to the sun, then they turn kind of green, but they're still edible and everything. So
No. Do not eat green potatoes. They're extremely poisonous.
So we have officially done digging out our potatoes.
There we go.
That's what it looks like.
It's not great really, considering the
Yeah.
number of pots we went through compared to last year, but you know.
Even though we've got really big
Still
potatoes
food.
though. At least we got big potatoes.
And it's not too bad considering, you know, because of our French project, we didn't spend that much time in this garden this year really. Nothing's been fed. Tons of plants died because they were not watered. So, but yeah, all in all, it's not too bad. I see you back in 5 on we'll weigh this and tell you how much we harvest. And that was from 1 to 3, 4 pots on that big crate thing. Anyway, see you in a minute. Hey guys, so we've done the math.
Yep,
So
we've
we
raised the potatoes.
3,837 gram, or 3.8 kilogram, or you know, if you don't like metric,
That is
then
a
it's
lot.
about 8,500 pounds.
So
Anyway, that's it from
that's
us, guys.
This is the end
Bye.
of the video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you next time when we'll be picking these beans.
More than likely. Alright, see you later, folks.
Bye. See you later, folks.